might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are...
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I want to welcome everyone to our channel. And I'm doing a comfort food collab, and this is my first time hosting it, and it's an open collab. And if you post a video for the collab, let me know in the comments so that I can add you to the playlist. And everyone check out the playlist because there's going to be some great recipes. And today I'm doing an Olive Garden chicken pasta, and I already have my chicken breast in my crock pot. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my Olive Garden Italian dressing over the top of it. And this is 16 ounces. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding my Parmesan cheese and pepper. And this recipe will be in the description below. So now I'm going to add in my pepper. Okay. And then I'm going to add in a block of cream cheese. And I'm going to be cooking this on high for 4 hours. And also I'm going to be adding, at the end of my recipe, I'm going to be adding in a box of pasta. And this is going to be just a really good little recipe. And also I'm going to be making the Olive Garden salad to go with this. So this is going to be a really good meal today. So let me put my lid on and turn my crock pot on, and I'll see y'all in a little while. Hi everyone, I'm back, and now I'm ready to make my Olive Garden salad. And over here I have my Olive Garden chicken pasta going, and so we can't wait for that to get done today, can we, Calvin?
Oh, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my salad mix in here. And then I'm going to put in my tomatoes, my purple onions, my black olives, and I'm going to put in my croutons and my pepperoni. Let's see now, I never do pronounce those right. Those are pepperoncinis. Pepperoncinis. Okay, so I got those on. So I'm going to give this a little toss now. Okay, and so I'm going to put on my croutons. And my Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to put some saran wrap around this, and I'll put it in the refrigerator. But now I'm going to make my salad, and I'm going to put this on later too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my Italian season packet. And then I'm going to put in my olive oil. And my white wine vinegar. And some water. My Italian seasoning. Some sugar. And my garlic powder, my black pepper, and my salt. And my mayonnaise. Okay, I'm going to give this a really good stir. Okay, I have my dressing stirred up now. And so I'm going to put my salad in the refrigerator, and I'm also going to put my dressing in the refrigerator. And so when my meal is done, I'll put my dressing over my salad and serve it later. All right, I'm back, and my Olive Garden chicken pasta has been in my crock pot on high for 4 hours, and so I'm ready to shred it up. It really smells good. Can you smell this, Calvin?
I sure can, Marie. I've been smelling it all day long. I can't wait for it.
Okay, that's good. That chicken looks really good and tender. It really stirred it up great. Okay. So I have my pasta over here, and I'm going to add it to it. And after it came up to a boil, I cooked it for about 12 minutes. So I'm going to add it into my pasta. Whoops. That came out really fast and scared me. I didn't expect it to come out that fast. Just look at that chicken and pasta. This is going to be a good meal tonight, isn't it, Calvin?
Yes, I think it will be, Marie.
Okay, I think I've got that pasta good and coated now. So I'm going to add in my Parmesan cheese. You could put a little parsley on this too if you wanted to. Okay, boy, that really looks good. Okay, I'm going to set this over here to the side. And then this is my Olive Garden copycat salad that I made. And my creamy dressing. So I'm going to pour this on my salad. And this is 3/4 cup. This looks just like the Olive Garden salad. Okay. So I'm going to put this in the bowl now. That one wants to hang on right there. Okay. That looks really good right there. Okay, I'm going to set this over to the side for a minute. And I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on it. Okay. Okay, now then I'm going to plate us up a plate. Okay. We've got us a nice copycat Olive Garden meal tonight, Calvin.
Looks very good, Marie. I can't wait to get into it.
All right, now it's time to do the taste test. That is amazing. It really tastes good, and maybe even better than the Olive Gardens. Okay, so now I'm going to taste the salad and see how close it is. That tastes really like the Olive Gardens also. So I give this whole meal, 5 being the highest number, I give it a 5. And this pasta, it's really good and creamy. The chicken in it is really good. And the Olive Garden salad dressing in it is really, you can really taste it in it, and it is just a good combination. And this salad over here, it's amazing also. It's got all the flavors of the Olive Garden. So if y'all make this meal, I think y'all really enjoy it. And you can even make this meal for Valentine's Day for your sweetheart. So, or anyone that you want to show that you love them. They will really appreciate it. Okay, and so y'all don't forget to check out our playlist of all the other people that are doing the collab with us. So Y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
Like the tide, and the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. For years I've kept my feelings grounded and gone without, all kept within. By these high walls I've been surrounded,